Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today we're going to look at the verb reprendre and 7 ways you can use it. It means all sorts of things and it's a verb I should have addressed before because it's really useful. Now let's have a look. The first meaning of reprendre, and probably the most common, is to resume or to pick up again. For instance, je vais reprendre le travail demain. I'm going to go back to work tomorrow, as in I'll resume work tomorrow. This is what we normally say when we come back from holiday, for instance. Tu peux reprendre là où tu en étais. You can pick up where you left off. Elle a repris le piano après 10 ans. She started playing the piano again after 10 years. The other main meaning of reprendre is to take back or to reclaim something. Je reprends mon livre, vu que tu n'en as plus besoin. I'm taking my book back since you don't need it anymore. Elle a repris ses affaires et elle est partie. She took her stuff back and she left. Il a repris les cadeaux qu'il lui avait faits. He took back the presents he gave her. We also use reprendre to mean to have more of something, especially when we eat or drink. Tu reprends du gâteau? Do you want some more cake? Are you having some more cake? Il a repris 3 fois des frites. He went back for fries 3 times. On va reprendre du fromage. We'll have some more cheese. We also use it to mean to correct what a person says. Le prof l'a repris sur sa prononciation. The teacher corrected his pronunciation. You see how we use it? We say the teacher corrected him on his pronunciation. Il m'a repris devant tout le monde. He corrected me in front of everyone. Elle a fait une faute, mais elle s'est reprise tout de suite. She made a mistake, but she corrected herself straight away. We also use it to mean to regain, to recover, or when reflexive, to pull yourself together. Il a repris connaissance. He regained consciousness. Elle reprend confiance en elle. She's regaining confidence. Confidence in herself, as we say in French. And now when it's reflexive, se reprendre, it means to pull yourself together. Allez, reprends-toi. Come on, pull yourself together, or get a grip. Now we also use it to mean to take over a business or a role. Il a repris l'entreprise familiale. He took over the family business. Vous voulez reprendre mon poste? Would you like to take over my position? C'est lui qui a repris le rôle de James Bond. He took over the part of James Bond. Finally, we also use it to mean to fix or to adjust something, and usually when talking about clothing or writing or something like that. Il faut que je reprenne cette couture, elle est de travers. I need to fix this seam, it's crooked. Tu peux reprendre ton texte? Il y a des fautes. Can you revise your text? There are mistakes. To finish off, let's have a look at a very, very useful expression. Ça le reprend, ça me reprend, etc. It's used when someone goes back to doing something they've done before, and it's usually something odd, emotional, annoying, or dramatic. Ah, voilà que ça le reprend. He's at it again. Ça me reprend. J'ai envie de tout plaquer et de partir. It's hitting me again. I want to drop everything and go. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Coffee link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.